Hi everyone, here we are, day 2 with our theme air, land and water. As you can see, today we are going to concentrate on arts and crafts. So here is a portrait that I've put up of Vincent Van Gogh. I'm sorry for the pronunciation. I know the Dutch would laugh at me, but I tried hard and I didn't get that right. Sorry. Alright, so yeah, I want my daughter to read a book online today. We'll be reading, it's called Vincent's Colors. I'll put the link in the description box so you can check it out. This is a basket with toys which I used yesterday for a sorting and matching activity. If you haven't seen my video, do check it out in the playlist Air, Land and Water Unit Studies. These are the 3 jars. One's with sand and some roots, this one's with air alone, and that one's with water. And her craft activity for today's day is to make this paper plane. The instructions are right up there, so we're going to be making the paper plane. And of course she's also doing some coloring. As you can see, she's busy drawing the sky, and then she'll be making a bird down there. Here she's going to make some water and a fish, and later she'll be making some land and a horse as well. So we'll be letting you get a glimpse of what her paintings are going to look like at the end of it. And once again, these are the books which we were supposed to read one every day, but I must confess that Taylor made me read all of them yesterday twice. So she really enjoyed her books. Her favorite one was What Are Stars? So coming back to our artist of the month, Vincent Van Gogh, in the next coming weeks I'll be showing my daughter quite a few of his paintings, and I'll allow her to choose 3 related to air, land and water. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how we've organized our shelf for today based on arts and crafts related to the air, land and water theme. Do stay tuned for more, subscribe to our channel and like my videos. Bye bye!